In this video, we are going to talk about how we can create a notification badge like this one. We are going to show badge on this bell icon. To show a badge, we just need to wrap this icon widget with the badge widget. As you can see, now badge is visible. We can also modify this badge. If you want a different color, you can also change it. I'm going to give this badge blue color. We can also define min and max height for this badge. I'm going to give min height 10 and max height 16. You can also show text or widget inside this badge. For now, we are going to show only notification count. You can change text color by providing color to the text color property. Here, I'm going to pass black color. You can also pass padding. The padding you are going to pass here will wrap the widget which you have provided to the label. So here, we are going to pass edge insets dot symmetric horizontal 8. As you can see, now padding is applied. You can also change the position by playing with the alignment and the offset property. I am going to pass directional alignment top end and the offset 0. But why we are using alignment directional? Because it will change position of the badge when text directionality will change. So let me show you with an example. By default, the text directionality is always left to right. So we are going to give text direction here right to left. So you will see the badge position will change. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about widgets and Flutter Advanced, you can subscribe to your channel. See you in the next video.